ever said, anything you've ever said, there's no way I'll be able to do that. Now you're just doing it, right?
Well, I will say that the cover of Sports Illustrated and the cover of Vogue were on my vision board.
Really?
Yes.
You made vision boards?
Yes, that's my whole message. You know, speak what you want. Make it your truth, and it will come true. It took me 2 years. It took the vision board that I still have up 2 years. And that doesn't matter because patience will bring you so much more. You can't hurry things up. You know, it's not our timing. So at the end of the day, this was all supposed to happen with patience.
I love it. I love it for you too.
Thank you.
Because you know, people talk about, I hope she doesn't get a big head. I hope she doesn't change. I hope she. But you don't strike me as the kind of person.
My mama wouldn't let me. My husband would be like, "Who do you think you are?" Hey. So no, I keep very amazing people around me.
I remember thinking like, wow, that's the kind of guy I wish I could marry. He's so amazing.
Absolutely.
So it wasn't until a few months down the line where I decided to become celibate. I started telling friends and family that he was my husband. Everyone's like, and you sound crazy.
Now, we had not started dating.
We had not started dating.
You didn't know any of it?
None of it.
So you manifested this?
Yeah. But everything was like confirmation.
You called it in.
It was hearing it,
sure did.
so then I started speaking it, so then I started, you know, shamelessly telling it, and then eventually people started coming up to me and saying stuff.
Making YouTube videos in your parents' basement. Now you have a late night show. I mean, that's incredible. Congratulations.
Thank you so much. I'm very, very grateful. Thank you.
I mean, you must have envisioned this, right? If you have a vision board, you must have seen this happening.
Yes, well, being on the show has been on my vision board for 5 years, legitimately. And my fans were so keen on it as well that they've actually photoshopped many pictures of us together. And so people think I've already been on the show because they're so good at Photoshop, but I haven't. This is my first time. And my mom always told me, she was like, Lily, no matter what you do in life, no matter what movie, no matter what TV show, I do not care unless you get to go on Ellen show. Like, it is the marker of success for my mom.
Man, if I didn't have no vision board, I'd be in trouble. You got to keep it in front. It's on my laptop. It's the screen on my phone. It's on my iPad. It's on my desktop.
That is so amazing, Steve. Like 10 years ago on the Oprah show, I was talking about vision boards, and people were like, that doesn't work. You are living proof. It absolutely does. You have to have a vision and a plan to execute so that every step moves you in the direction of vision. So let's talk about your vision board.
Yeah, okay. It's got some stuff on it I can't share with people. Y'all would really be looking at me crazy, man, if you saw what it was, but my vision board is incredible.
It's another life, and it's really, I call it the life of your dream. You know, your dream has a reality that most people kind of separate from their present, but I like to say that my dream is my now. The first coat and the first law of shedding is empowering your inner self. You know, is a gift that is not given by man. So what you just have to really improve is your inner image opposed to your outer one. My method of combating moping is basically staying grounded and making sure and remembering that I'm really the one that's steering my ship. It's not a movie. It's not people, but I'm the one that's controlling my joy and happiness.